A winter weather advisory is in effect for the Gulf Coast this evening. What does that mean? Well, it can mean a lot of different things, but in this particular case, we have the potential for some freezing rain coming in late tonight. And trends with temperatures show that that's going to start sometime around 2 or 3 in the morning at the earliest. And then after that, sort of leading up towards daybreak tomorrow morning with the potential of some freezing rain in our area. We'll see a light icing event. This is not expected to be a problem where we have a long-term frozen up roads for, a long period of time kind of thing, but for at least a brief period of time tomorrow morning, we may see a thin glaze, a light precipitation event, and that can cause problems, especially on bridges and overpasses. Once all that begins to melt and evaporate away, we'll get colder, and by Saturday night, that'll be the peak of the cold weather. A hard freeze is expected for the Gulf Coast. Definitely a wintry forecast, and not expecting snow at all. The main issue as far as precipitation type will be freezing rain. We may see a couple of sleet pellets mixed in too, but primarily we're talking about just a cold rain event for the Florida Panhandle, and then cold enough for those raindrops to come down and freeze on contact. They'll come down as liquid, but they could freeze on contact in Mobile County, Baldwin County, especially along the north of Interstate 10 and along Interstate 65. Probably going to stay too dry for significant precipitation in the inland spots based on what we're seeing right now. Winter weather advisory is in effect for George County, for Jackson County, Mobile, Baldwin, and Escambia counties for the potential of light icing late tonight. Where is the bad weather coming from? Well, we had a front come through. That's this rain here. We had the temperatures drop throughout the day today. Now tonight, we're monitoring this. A secondary disturbance which is creating some light wintry precipitation in parts of Texas. We had some freezing rain reported in San Antonio earlier today, and you can see the moisture out into the Gulf off Louisiana. That'll be coming in well after midnight tonight. Our temperatures as of the 9 o'clock hour running in the upper 30s. They'll be in the lower 30s later tonight. Wind chill values are already a significant problem, and they'll likely be in the low 20s tomorrow morning. So it's going to be bitter cold for us, and then you add precipitation into the mix, and that's never good. So here it comes. Let's track it. And the FUTURECAST model says that possibly as soon as midnight we could get some precip in here. However, that would be primarily just rain because temperatures are going to be above freezing in most spots at that point. We do expect temperatures to start dipping down below freezing by around 4 a.m. And at this point, just some light showers going on, spotty freezing rain, spotty freezing drizzle. Those are the things that are possibilities for us. And we can see that as of 6 a.m. with the significant stuff offshore, and still some precipitation lingering through 8 or 9 o'clock. The ARRR still keeps it wet into tomorrow afternoon. Of course, temperatures will be above freezing by that point, but not as likely to see precipitation lasting until the afternoon tomorrow. Still definitely some clouds, though, and dry rear punches in here on Friday night. So tomorrow we're calling for freezing drizzle early in the morning, maybe a little freezing rain mixed in, mainly along the I-10, I-65 area. We're talking about temperatures in the 30s, so low 30s, probably not cold enough for the main roads to freeze, but the bridges and overpasses, we could get some slick spots. Watch out for that. Cold through mid-morning, rain ending, and then seeing chilly conditions as we work our way into the afternoon. Highs into the lower 40s tomorrow. Wind chill values will be in the 30s all day on your Friday. That's a winter day for us, okay? Freezing rain in the morning and wind chills in the 30s all day. Yikes. Well, needing a winter coat on Friday night. Yeah, in the winter, everything. 27 degrees, and then Saturday night, our coldest night with this, down to 25. So watch out for a few slick spots on the roads tomorrow morning. We'll have a complete forecast for you tonight on Fox 10 News from 9 to 10:30 p.m. And then, of course, you can always check in with meteorologist Michael White in the morning. He's going to be all over this, monitoring the radar trends and the observations and the modeling as far as any potential icing issues for your early morning commute.